Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is a video where I just tell you what's been going on. I have not received any further donations. And the Google Adsense money, I have to check the exact amount, but I believe it was $110 went into my account today. So I'll be buying the Alien Con ticket on next Saturday. If I get money from my sister, I'll be doing it sooner than that. But that hasn't arrived yet. And that's all that's going on. My iPad, unfortunately, the guy says his hands are tied. It's been 3 weeks today, and the guy still hasn't repaired it. He claims he has a backlog in his shop. So I sent the guy an email where I sent the iPad to. I said, I don't care if he's got a backlog or not. Get it fixed. 3 weeks is unacceptable. I give you till next Tuesday. That will be a month. You take it back from the guy, find someone else to do repair, or send it back and return me my money. I need that iPad to go to Alien Con, and I don't want to hear any excuses. This is not what you do. You promised a week. It's been 3. All right, that's all I can tell you. If I have to, I'll go buy an iPad. This is why it was so crucial when if my other iPad hadn't been stolen, I'd have a backup. What I may end up doing is it won't be the same. Put it on my iPhone. I'd hate to have to do videos by lugging this 6-pound boat anchor around trying to do a video on it. All right, it would be horrible. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm in Walnut Creek, California, across from the Apple Store. Have a great afternoon and evening. It's 5:56 p.m. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.